Well, here we are again, demonstrating the phenomenal attributes of a Kraus-made commercial carpet. And what has really made Kraus world famous is their interlocking stitch technology, something that we call ZipperLock. Our ZipperLock warranty guarantees that the carpet will not run or ravel and cause the unsightly appearance of running voids and holes in a commercial carpet. And I'm sure this is sort of a phenomenon that is familiar to many of us, a piece of carpet that just continually runs and ravels, and look at the length of some of these pieces that come out. It's a very common appearance in commercial carpet, and we can really pull out very, very long pieces. And this is a piece of a competitor's carpet, a typical commercial level loop construction, and this fiber has the ability, the uncanny ability, to be able to run and ravel. We'll be able to pull out long ends of carpet fiber, and a very industrious child just needs to see that little piece of fiber there in a school setting, or perhaps in a hospital waiting room, and or in a library where they should be reading. They'll find this little piece of carpet tuft, and they'll get their fingers into there, or even rolling traffic, perhaps a book cart, or any kind of wheeled vehicle that finds its way into our business offices and facilities. We'll see this sort of a thing occurring all over the place. Well, I'm sure you've heard this or used this familiar technology, and fixing up the odd run or ravel, and perhaps we'd have the ability to have it stop. But that's really not the answer. However, that is how so many of us over the years, especially facility managers and those in the custodial service industry, try to remedy the problem. But of course, we here at Kraus recommend that you buy a well-made piece of commercial broadloom. And as we put a rug hooking utensil into this carpet pile fiber, or the pile of this carpet, we'll see that we can snag it, but we can't seem to get it to run or ravel with any success. Perhaps we'll get an inch, perhaps an inch and a half out of it, and that is the best we seem to be able to do because of our interlocking tuft placement technology, where the tufts actually crisscross in a basket weave fashion, and they will only lock with their neighbor as it's pulled and snap right off. So the damage is limited to perhaps just a little tiny void, virtually invisible to the naked eye. And when we see what can happen to typically made commercial carpet fiber or commercial carpet broadloom, that is really not the way to go, but rather a properly designed piece of commercial broadloom is the answer. And right here is a great example of how traditional carpet is made. It's an unbacked piece of carpet. No secondary backing has been laminated onto the back. So you can see the reverse side of where the hidden secret is to a well-made piece of commercial broadloom. This is a traditional stitch, and then this is the interlocking stitch that Kraus uses on their commercial carpet. And that is what gives you this great ZipperLock technology that we're so proud of. ZipperLock technology.